was during the rainy season, 1934, in Kamoto village, when late Tom and Ellen Mutharika were blessed with a baby boy. He was named Bingu, a storm that comes with thunder and lightning, commonly known in Malawi's vernacular as Mabingu. He was a direct descendant of the royal Mutharika family, which is one of the traditional kings of the Lomwe tribe. Back in the days, not any child had a privilege to access primary education. It was in two folds. Because education was paid for, those that could not afford it never had their children in school. Sometimes, those with the resources never empowered their children to go to school. But that was not the case with Tom.
amachito kanizidwa kutola hata mpase muntu moni kuchita kwabweza kuti ufuna mpase moni chifuka chade ii ufuna ni mpase muntu moni wandisakala ai tiye khalapa bize mabuku basi nkupeza kuti pana awili onse mmene analili onse maphunziro analofana koma a president otisiyawo kumanena kuti ine ndaphunzira komanso mphanga pambuyo naende ndi mwalanso ife kumafusa kuti ai sipono anachiwa munthu mmozi koma maphunziro achi ofanana ndiye kuti matani amayi wamatuza kuti bambo awo tiwa anadadongoso samafuna kuti pa kompao mukabwera osewera kapena kuti azinena zachi zopanda mitu amafuna nditu bize kuwerenga nthawi ndi nthawi.
Tom, Bingu's father, was a strong believer in education. He had taught for 37 years. His mother, a gentle and loving woman, taught other women of Mvano group. He was an intelligent boy who did exceptionally well in class. After his primary school, he obtained Grade A Cambridge Overseas School Living Certificate at Delta Secondary School in 1956. From there, he obtained a Bachelor of Commerce degree and a Master of Arts degree in Economics from the University of Delhi in India. He was later awarded a Doctor of Philosophy degree in Development Economics from the Pacific Western University in Los Angeles, California, in the United States of America, to become Dr. Bingu Mutharika. He also attended dozens of short courses on business management, financial analysis, trade promotion, political leadership, regional and economic cooperation, and human relations. In recognition of his wealth of knowledge and experience in both domestic and international economic development, Bingu Mutharika received many honorary degrees, including Professor of Economics by East China Normal University in April 2010, Doctor of Letters, Degree Honoris Causa by the University of Delhi in October 2010, Doctor of Laws, Degree Honoris Causa by the University in 2008, and Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Degree Honoris Causa, University of Strathclyde, Scotland in 2005. Professor Bingu Mutharika has received the following accolades and awards: Special Millennium Development Goals MDG Awards, United Nations in 2010. COMESA Special Awards of Achievements. Drivers of Change Awards by the Southern Africa Trust. 2009 Medal of Glory Award, the Foundation of Democracy in Africa in Florida. Most Excellent Grand Commander, Government of his achievements. His dream was to one day come back home and lead the country.
Another nakuti netu ndabwera chose Malawi muno ndokazikika sopano mabwera chose Malawi muno sopano aliya imekungilime senali kuyatani yata pakali pano ndilifiri chifukwa chifukwa khumbo langa ndilofuna ndilamule chilumba cha Malawi. Siningamwalire ine pa dziko lapansi sanalamule Malawi. Ndazunzika kuzunzikira dziko la Malawi zaka zochuluka kuti ndilamule dziko la Malawi. Ndiye sizingatheke kuti ine ndingofika kumwalira ndisanalamule Malawi. Ndikangomwalira ine sanalamule dziko la Malawi. Kwa Mulungu mlandu.
But political grounds could not allow him to come home and settle. He could only visit his family a number of times in a year. And even when he did, any traces had to be swept off.
Amataka kufika nthawi imwe kumabwera galimoto ya Malawi Congress Party Land Rovers okuti wakati akafika ati pano nthawi imwe matayala mayeni likasesedwe monga chonje mwefika galimoto pochoka tisesi pasaoneke kuli pasika matayala ndiye anthu maona angati akukhala moyo ndithu ozunza ndiye choncho akabwera choncho kumaona kuti chabwino nangati.
After such a successful academic path, it was time for Bingu to settle down.
Ndiye tonse tinakhala ndithu okhumudwa kuti mukuyambiranso nkhani zimenezo chifukwa chani, chifukwa yo ife tinamva kuti pimene timakula timamva kuti muli maiko akunja koma chikathawa inu zinali nkhani za ndale. Ndiye sopanonso mukuyambirabe zomwezo anati ayi sizingatheke ngati pali kufa kuti nzafere ndale chabwino nzafere ndale chifukwa ndi khumbo langa chabwino basi tinakhala kena kuti naona abwera siku loyamba anabwera pa chisoko skulupo tinamva mwakuti anthu kupanga za ndale monga mmaziwira koma ife tonse pa khumba tinalo khumudwa okuti olokusonkhano kuti makhala mokhumudwa khala kuti chabwino mmene akatuzira makolo muja apiteso momwemo chabwino komabe tinachivomereza nangasaine chanasaina kuti sangafe asanalamule Malawi mpaka na chimenecho anamenyana nacho mpaka na ndi anatenga zikoli kumalamula.
He first married Ethel in 1965 and had 4 children. Madali's desire to rule the country finally happened. He became Malawi's second democratically elected president for 2 consecutive terms.
I, Dr. Bingu wa Mutharika, do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the function of the high office of President of the Republic of Malawi, and that I will preserve and defend the Constitution, and that I'll do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, so help me God. Malawi woye! Malawi woye! DBB woye! DBB woye!
On 17th of April 2010, Professor Bingu Mutharika was happily married again to Calista Mutharika, the then the First Lady of Malawi. People came from all walks of life to witness this auspicious ceremony. Bingu believed in the people of Malawi. He believed in self-reliance of the country. In the 7 years he was in power, he engineered a lot of economic and infrastructure development, priority after priority. Professor Bingu Mutharika was a writer. His vision of Malawi as a food basket was laid out in a book called The African Dream, From Poverty to Prosperity.
The African dream is the dream for Africa. It is your dream. It is my dream. It is a dream that tries to tell the story about Africa by Africans. For a long time, as Dr. Ken Lipenga was saying, we read about Africa from the eyes of others, and quite often disasters that are being emphasized, or something that has gone wrong, or sometimes they talk about good governance. But that's not Africa. We read about Africa of poverty, children dying of hunger, malaria, tuberculosis, and others. But that's not the whole Africa. And I agree that that Africa exists. We read about Africa of poverty, where we have begged for everything that we have. That Africa also exists. But in this book, I wanted to tell the story of another Africa. Not Africa of disasters, but Africa of opportunities. Not Africa of hopelessness, but Africa of hope. Because I know that Africa can indeed move from poverty to prosperity.
Other works done by the late president were My Business Apinto, which was published in Chichewa and Tumbuka in 2005, One Africa, One Destiny in Harare, 1994, Towards Multinational Economic Cooperation in Africa in New York, 1972. Professor Bingu Mutharika also wrote over 24 papers and articles in leading international journals such as Finance and Development. Professor Bingu Mutharika was a passionate farmer. He foresaw the concept of the Green Belt Initiative.
I'd like to thank the MDG Organizing Committee for honoring me with this award for this year 2010 in recognition of the modest contribution that we made in transforming Malawi from a chronic food deficit to a food surplus country. I accept this award on behalf of the people of Malawi who are making heroic efforts to increase agricultural production and food production in order to abate hunger and malnutrition. Let me tell you that some 5-6 years ago, Malawi was a food independent country. Every year, we were forced
president of my country, I vow never to bend my knee to beg for food to feed the people of Malawi. I told the people of Malawi to fold their shirts or whatever it is that they fold, and to make Malawi a hunger-free nation. I also wanted Malawians to believe that we could feed ourselves and to believe in themselves. And indeed, I resolved to turn Malawi into a hard-working nation, a nation of achievers.
He believed in a hard-working society. During his tenure, he significantly raised the standard of living of the people of Malawi with a sustained annual average growth rate of the gross domestic product GDP of 7.5% for the 6 years. Over the 7 years he ruled the nation, the country attained many significant international relations.
On behalf of our mayor, Carlos Alvarez, and on behalf of the chairman of our board, Commissioner Dennis C. Moss, and on behalf of the other county commissioners, including me, the Gov, and on behalf of, and I just like to say this because it's true, on behalf of Lottie Dottie and everybody who lives in or visits Miami-Dade County, we want to give this distinguished visitor plaque of appreciation to His Excellency. Let's give him a round of applause, please. It merely says, from our chairman, it says from our chairman, thank you for coming to Miami-Dade County. And I want to say personally, if I, your governor, could assist you in any way, please let me know. Don't go through Fred. Don't go through Tony. Call me personally. And you know what? We gotta laugh now. It ain't fair to come out on a Friday night and not have fun and not let His Excellency feel welcome in our fair city. So come on, let's give him a round of applause. Because I understand that he's doing great things in his country, and again, we applaud you for the great things that you're doing, and we appreciate you coming to Miami-Dade County. You know the shake too, man, that's all right. Is that it? Oh, and also on behalf of our chairman, Dennis C. Moss, and our mayor, and the other county commissioners, we want to give you the key to our city. Now, Mr. President, don't ask me what it fits now, but it is the key to our city. Okay. God bless you again. We appreciate you coming. All right.
Bingu died on the 5th of April 2012 while in office, and the nation was gripped with sorrow.
Sikula kuwa jana pita, unendo pamoja.
Professor Bingu wa Mutharika's final resting place was designed and built by himself. This unique monument, with stained glass window of angels, archangels and saints, blending with unique architecture and creative decorative designs, is the only building of its kind in Southern Africa. Bingu, the legendary.
Kumbukirani kupanga subscribe to our YouTube channel Malawi News Daily Updates kuti nkhani zochitika ku Malawi samakuphonyeni. Inyo mzikhala munthu kambirira kumva kamene akuonera nkhani zimene.